Today we are here in the Tapir Mountain Nature Reserve. We're going to be conducting our PROALAS surveys. That's an abbreviation, and it roughly translates to the Program for Monitoring Land Birds in Latin America. So this program was developed by the Cornell Lab, and it helps us to monitor birds in protected areas like we are today. Birds, they're pretty easy to detect. A lot of them we hear. For example, right now we're hearing a colored trogon. These birds like these more mature forests that has a good canopy cover and that is more pristine. We have 22 points spread across the reserve. These points were selected using ArcGIS. We had the reserve split up into different ecosystem types, and we set points in these ecosystem types to be able to see if there's a variation with the birds. Once we had the points set using ArcGIS, we set the coordinates in our GPS, and we came on the ground, and we physically located these points and marked them as our point count sites. So to conduct these surveys, we use both the mobile app eBird, and we also use Smart. This is to help us to record data and to monitor the trails we're using. The eBird app has a special protocol that we can use for PROALAS, which allows us to put in the number of birds and also the distance bands that we recorded them in. So each point we have to count twice, one earlier in the morning and one later in the morning. That is to help to eliminate the time bias. For example, some birds are more active earlier in the morning, whereas by mid-morning they become a little less vocal, so your chances of detecting them are a little bit lower. That's the reason why we have to do 2 days for each transit, and we have to do each transit back and forth.
There are 2 mine answers.
Oh?
Yeah, there's one there close, one there within, and one there beyond.
One there within?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so 2, one within, one outside. Magnolia warbler, one outside. So today we visited 6 different sites, so we did a total of 12 surveys. And within these 12 surveys, we recorded approximately 60 species. Some of these species are good indicators of forest health. This would be birds like golden crown warbler and rufous mourner, which prefer more undisturbed and more mature forests.